Hi, everybody. All right, so I'm going to attempt to make this one quick. So let's just jump right into it. We're not even going to do a thing in the top. All right, so today I want to talk to you guys about how to put text on Canvas. Again, as normal, please fill out this Google form for attendance. I know the school is now having you do one. I'm so sorry you have to do multiple things, but I need to personally keep attendance as well. So please do that Google form. Also, join the Discord if you haven't already. I'm going to be trying to start up some clubs because I know a lot of you are going stir crazy being stuck in your house. So join the Discord. We already have a really vibrant community, and that'll also be where I discuss plans going forward with clubs. Some of the students mentioned wanting to be in a video game club, but there are other things that I could host. If you guys wanted to do like a coding club or something, I could work that out. Uh, as just like a service to you guys. All right, so you're going to see I gave you HTML, I gave you CSS, and in the index.js, I gave you these first couple of lines, which will just fill in my canvas with a white background rectangle. All right. I just want to very quickly show you how to draw text on canvas. All right. So first thing I'm going to do is I'm going to change my fill style since it was white to change the background. I'm just going to change it to any other color. Uh, let's make it blue. This way when I draw my text, it doesn't come out white as well. All right, so the first method I'm going to show you is the fill text method, and the stroke text is the same. It just uses stroke style instead of fill style. All right, so ctx.fill text. All right, this will take 3 parameters. All right, it'll take the text you want to put on the page. It will take an x coordinate and a y coordinate. All right, so I'm just going to put hello and give it x and y coordinates. All right, I'm going to put it at 50, 50. Run that. And you'll see, okay, we have this tiny little bit of text hello. And you might be saying, well, Mr. Sands, it's way too small. I'll never be able to see that. I agree. So we have a couple of things that we can do here that will improve our quality of life. Firstly, the context has a property called font. All right, so it's a property just like fill style and stroke style that you can set to a text value. All right, that will determine what it does. So, for example, in font, you can give it a pixel size that you want the font to be and the specific font that you want your text to be in. So for example, if I put 20px Arial and I run this, you'll see that this becomes larger, 20 pixels, and then Arial. Now, this fill text that we have here, I forgot to put a semicolon. This fill text here that we have, we said the x coordinates and y coordinates are 50-50. Well, where is that in relation to our shape? A lot of you might think it is the top of our text because that's what it was like with the fill rect, but it is in fact at the bottom left corner. All right. If we wanted to make it centered more, we could say ctx dot text align. Again, this is in camel case, lower camel case. We could set that equal to center. Oops. And you'll see it has shifted over because now the point 50-50 is not in the bottom left, but now in the center bottom. It's always going to be aligned to the bottom, but honestly, that's probably a good thing because most of the time you're going to be putting your text on top of something, or in a particular location where you know where the bottom is anyway. So it's a good place to be consistent with your text. Okay, so now that we've written hello, you can obviously extend that. You could say hello world. Don't know why I put an extra exclamation point. Boop. Doing that makes it go slightly off the page. So what I can do is increase the X just a little bit. Boop. Hello world. All right. So now you have text on your canvas that you can move wherever you want depending on where you put the X and Y coordinates. All right. Then I have ctx dot stroke text, which is exactly the same. All right. It just uses the stroke style. So I'm going to do stroke style, set that equal to, uh, let's do a nice cyan color, ctx dot stroke text. This will still use the same font and text align, which you can change if you wanted to, right above this text, and it should make it different from the other one. But let's see, for the stroke text, what I'm going to do is I'm going to say farewell, and I'll put that at let's put that at 100 100. All right, so now you'll see farewell here. It looks pretty filled in, but that's just because this is small. If we zoomed in, you could still see there's some white parts there. That's because it's not actually filled, but a hollow outline. We just happen to have a small shape. In order to amplify this, let's change the font right above here. Since we are changing the font down here but not up there, this text will still stay 20px in Arial. However, this and any preceding text will be this new font. All right, let's make it 40px, which might be a bit too much. We might have to change that. Let's make it Comic Sans MS. And you'll see now that that is outlined text. All right. This is all that I wanted you to do today. Tomorrow I'm going to be putting out a brief challenge. It's very short and simple, very short and sweet, and just requires you to hack a little bit. But you'll hear more about that tomorrow. And good, we managed to make a sub 10 minute video. All right, guys. So just get this done. It should be nice and easy. Have a great day, and I'll see you tomorrow. Bye.